Today, I am going to create this advanced morph animation in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. Go to the elements and add a night desert picture. Adjust the size and position. Add your travel logo. I am using a demo logo. Search for the moon. Add this to the middle of the page. Add a text box. Select the Montserrat font. Duplicate this. Press the Shift key and select all the elements and make it a group. Again, add a text. Increase the letter space to the maximum level. Again, add a text box. Make it bold and uppercase. Press the Shift key and select both texts and make it a group. Click on the background image and duplicate it. Remove the background. Now duplicate the page. Go to the position and select the text. Drag it to the bottom of the page. Now click on the elements and drag them to the bottom of the page. Drag the second page to make it first. Press the Ctrl key and select both images. Zoom the image to make it bigger. Click here and add a black page. Import the desert picture again from the Elements section. Set it as the background. Go to Edit and make it 40% blurry. Add a text box. Change the font color to white. Go to Elements and add a frame. Duplicate this. Again, duplicate both frames. Add a text box and write the place name. Add the place picture. Duplicate this text, write the other place name. Do the same thing for the rest of the travel destination. Select all the place names and make them uppercase and bolded text. Duplicate this text and make it lowercase. Write the place details. Duplicate this text and do the same thing for the rest of the places. Here, add the match and move transition. And here, add the slide transition. Select the upper direction. Change the page duration, 2 seconds, and apply to all pages. Here is the final version. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.